Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over the reverse upset punch. We'll be working from a front stance on this. Now for the reverse upset punch, I'll be starting with my punching hand in at my hip, turned palm down. My retraction hand is out in front of me, also rotated palm down. As my punch moves forward, it rolls over palm up this way. It's not moving very far. My elbow is tucked in against my hip here. At that point, it has moved far enough. Again, I'm here and just out and through. We're going to start slowly with this. Then we're going to be striking with our forefist here. I want to be sure that the punch is moving straight forward, that I'm keeping my elbow tucked in well behind, and that I'm keeping my wrist nice and straight here. That can be one of the more difficult parts of working with this. Then we'll go a little faster, out and through, out and through, out and through, and then faster yet. And again, once more. All right, now let's have a look at this from the side. I'm starting here with my elbow tucked in behind. I want to be careful that I'm not letting it flare out to the side like that. I want to start in chicken wing position. If I'm doing this, the punch is going to move in an arc. So we're here, again, nice and slowly, out and through. This is a middle section strike. So I want to keep the forearm level here. We're not going up this way. This is not an uppercut punch. It's not a strike into the jaw. It's going right into an opponent's midsection, just like that. Now a little faster. Out and through. Out and through. Out and through. Again, I want to try to keep this nice and straight. Wrist nice and straight. I don't want it bending upward this way or breaking back downward this way. I'm just going to hurt myself if I do that. I want to keep my wrist nice and straight. Now faster yet. Here. Here. And here, like that. Now, let's have a look at this on a target. Mr. Disselkow, if I could have you over here, please. Now, you're going to need to be in fairly close here. If I'm too far away, that's when I'm going to wind up starting to ride up and starting to curl my wrist. I'm going to start here and just out and through here and touch and push with it. Just touch and push. That'll let you know that you're keeping your wrist straight. If I'm bending my wrist as I push, I'm going to know that without hurting myself. My hand will fold back this way or it'll fold down this way. So just make sure you're getting a nice, stable wrist position here. Then we'll go a little faster with it. Here. Here. Just press in. If that's going well, then start going faster for a strike. Here, 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 here. Done correctly, it can be a very powerful, very effective strike. Thank you. But it's an unforgiving technique. If I get it just a little bit wrong, I'm going to hurt myself with this. If I do it correctly, it works real well, but it's very demanding that way. I've got to keep my wrist straight, my fist closed tight, my elbow tucked in behind, and I've got to be close enough to my target. If I'm doing all of those things, yes, it works very well. But that can take some practice, which is exactly what this tutorial is for. that was the reverse upset punch. Thank you for joining me.